Hello friends, you are once again very welcome to the amazing gadget and the world of awesome invention crazy gadget, and the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to make these gadgets one by one. If the channel is not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications and hit the bell icon. So without any delay, let's start our video. Number 1. Lume Cube. Friends, if you are a video cricketer or a professional photographer, then you will like this gadget very much. Actually, there are those which are big flash or lighting. They are either a little big on the side or their battery backup is not enough that you can use it continuously. So if you want, you can try a small gadget of this way by trying, which is much smaller than the size of a power bank. In this you will get to see lots of lighting modes. Also there is a display where you will get to see a lot of things from the battery level. With the help of its switch, you can easily adjust its brightness. You will be able to use it for about 3 hours on a single charge. So friends, if you are a blogger or a video creator, then this type of gadget will definitely get you a lot of interest. Number 2. Fankit Nex L1 Pro. Guys, if you are going to buy a set of screwdrivers in which you can see different types of screwdrivers, then if you want, you can try this method of fun. This tool, which looks like a very small compact, is a kind of electronic screwdriver in which you will get to see a lot of screw options. You just have to apply that rabbit, after which you can easily tighten any side screw. Normally if you buy a set of screwdrivers, then it is very big and heavy, but this gadget will remain extremely lightweight. So friends, if you are thinking of buying a screwdriver tool, then you will like this tool very much. So friends, there is definitely a like for this type of gadget. Number 3. Morphed Carry Sleeve. Friends, you must have seen a lot of laptop stands so far, but this gadget is the most different because it is a case cover type in which you will be able to carry your laptop. Also there are some such systems that when you open it becomes like a stand, so that you will be able to use it by adjusting it at different angles and keeping your laptop. So somewhere it works like a stand of your laptop as well as a small pouch for carrying it. So this gadget is amazing. So friends, if you too are looking for a stand for laptop, then according to me the perfect option will be for you. Number 4. AIO Transparent Mask. Friends, in this era of corona, masking has become very important for us. But in this era of corona, you do not recognize your identified man or relative, because of which one has to face a lot of difficulty. So in view of this situation, I have brought this transparent mask for you. That is, there is a layer in it, as you can see across it. Also it shows a complete view of your face so that you can use it in normal life. On the other hand, they are much more comfortable than normal masks. So friends, if you are also bored with normal mask, then you can try this mask, which will like lot. Number 5. Roomba iRobot. Guys, if you are going to get a vacuum cleaner for your home, then you can use this type of gadget, which you are going to like a lot. Because if you take a normal vacuum cleaner, then somewhere you will have to do it manually. But if you see this gadget, then it is a robot-like gadget that automatically does the cleaning of work for your house. You just have to leave it on once in the room, after which it will easily clean itself. Also it has brushes that clean your house very closely. So friends, if you also want to avoid cleaning your house, then you can try this gadget once, and which is quite amazing. Number 6. Terra Planter. Friends, when you plant a tree in a pot, then after a while they start drying slowly, because of which your planted tree is ruined somewhere. So if you want to avoid this thing already, then you can use this small pot of this matter, which comes with a completely different design. Friends, it is made with an eco-friendly material which is very good for your environment as well as trees. In this you will get to see small holes through which the air in the soil will be able to go very well. Also when you add water to trees, it helps to deliver water in the right way in the entire tree, so that the plant can grow well. So gadgets of this way are much more fun, in which you can easily do plantings inside your house too. So friends, if you also want to plant a plant in your homes, then by using this gadget, you will be able to keep any plant at your house. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe the channel, so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.